Hi friends, still on the physics side, Waec 2025. This is number question, this is question 38. A plane is inclined at 45 degrees to the horizontal. Calculate the velocity ratio of the plane. This is a question on a machine. Okay, there are types of machines. One of them is inclined plane, and which is this. So an inclined plane is a kind of tool or machine that is used to carry a load from ground to the floor, to the top floor of a lorry. This is how it looks like. It looks like this, okay, and then this is the top floor of any vehicle, right? So, and this is to the horizontal. All right, excuse me. Let's say this is the load, which is the drum, okay. And if you are pushing, you apply your effort, right? Down so. Why this is your load acting downward, okay. This is the height, okay. So now, and let's say this is O A B. So the question says, what will be the velocity ratio of the plane? That is of this plane. Now, what is velocity ratio? A velocity ratio is a distance traveled with effort. The distance traveled with effort. I mean, is the ratio of distance traveled with effort or by effort over distance traveled by load. So in that case, so what is the distance traveled by the effort here? Okay, that is what? That is OA. Okay, I'm just trying to prove it. Okay, all right, I'm just trying to prove it out. Over what is distance traveled by the load? So the load is acting vertical. That is AB, right? Now, if you now look at this now, looking at this thing in a trigonometric, applying your trigonometry ratio, okay, you are agreeing with this is the angle, the inclined angle, theta. Okay, you are agreeing with me that sine theta, okay, sine theta is what opposite OA, right? I mean, opposite, which is OAB over uh, hypotenuse, right? OA. That is your SOHCAHTOA. Opposite over hypotenuse, the longest line. Okay. Now, if you now compare this to this, you will see that this is an inverse of this. This is OA over AB, and this is AB over OA. That means that this is an inverse of this, which is this. Okay. So I haven't gotten that. So we can now say at what angle to the horizontal? Okay, that is at 45 degrees. So if you press your calculator, your angle 45, I mean sine 45 will give you 0.71, something like that. And if you divide it, that will give you 1.108, which is 1.1 on 1.41. So this is the velocity ratio of this the inclined plane at angle 45, okay, 45 degrees. So if you find this information useful, please do share and comment and follow this channel. Thank you and God bless.